morning, Horn Creek. I ought to tell you something. I have another nature's note. I'm out here this morning mowing a field that we have sitting fallow. It's got a cover crop, but my people in the field with me today are beautiful mud swallows and a few of the endangered species, the Vaux swift. These guys are flying in front of me super tight, just cruising back and forth, snipping up all the bugs that I'm stirring up while I'm mowing. But I just think it's amazing. They're so fast and so clever, the way they just zoom past me, up right in front of the tractor, eating all the bugs. And this summer, I had a chimney company come out and help me look at this chimney of our house, which is 120 years old. And they told me they couldn't do much with the chimney until fall because, lucky us, we have Vaux swifts living in the top of our chimney up there.